Hi guys, in today's video, I will teach you to make an oobleck. Things needed are cornstarch, funnel, balloon, food coloring, container, and water. First take the container and add cornstarch and water based on your need. Now add 2 to 3 drops of food coloring and mix it well. Here mine is not thick, it is in liquid form, so add more cornstarch and mix it slowly. So now it is a bit too thick, so I added some water. Now your oobleck should look like this. Now take the funnel and slowly pour it into the balloon. Now you are ready to go.